let's talk about disk cleanup. Now, before we go to that point, I like to go to my recycle bin to see if I have files there that I would like to clean up. Now, I'm going to go to that recycle bin, double click on it. So here you can see I have quite a lot of files here. All right, now the reason I came here to show you is to let you know that when we go to the disk cleanup, let's see if the utility is able to pick up those files in the recycle bin. Now, to access your disk cleanup, go to the search box in the taskbar. Now type in disk cleanup. Now while you're typing that, you see it pop up there, click on it. So here you're going to see the disk cleanup utility dialog box would appear, showing you files to delete. Now it gives you a list of files that you can delete. Now in this list of files, you'll be able to delete downloaded program files, temporary internet files, recycle bin. Let's go look at recycle bin. You see that recycle bin here, we have about 4 gig of files in there, and we have thumbnails. So you can easily go ahead, put a tick, and delete the files that you want. You can delete Windows Update files. Bear in mind that if you delete Windows Update files, if they are not yet installed on your computer, you may have to go back to Windows Update and re-download those files and install them. For this example, I'm focusing here on the recycle bin. Now you can see it gives me total amount of disk space I can gain when I delete the recycle bin. So let's head over down here. If you do have admin right, now you should go to the clean up system files. So I'll click on that. So this cleanup is right now calculating how much space you will gain on your system. You can see here it says you can free up to 7 gig of space on my local computer drive C. All right. So what I want to do is I'm just going to uncheck this one and focus on my recycle bin, right? Okay, so I want to go ahead and focus on the recycle bin. I'm just being careful so that I don't delete Windows Update files. Okay, so you need to be careful and know the files that you're deleting. So I'm focusing on the recycle bin. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? So I'm going to go ahead, delete files. Okay, so let's go ahead, go to the recycle bin and see if those files in the recycle bin has been deleted. So I'll go to my recycle bin, double click on it. Wow, can you see? The files have all been deleted. Now that is how to free up space when you use the disk cleanup. If this video helped you, please like, share, drop me a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so for more tech tips like this. So I'll see you in the next video.